Okay, so the amount of gold in the Earth's crust is about, oh my goodness me, so that is thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So 120 trillion kilograms. Express this amount in the form of A by 10 to the power of N. So look, it's very simple. Let's just zoom in there. Oh, by the way, A, as I've always said, has to be less than 10. We like to keep it over 0. What does that mean? I just put my decimal point, so I have a number less than 10. So as usual, here. How many times I have to turn that huge number? I have to make it smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 1.2 by 10 to the power of 14. Right, now question 8, we have to write the reciprocal of 100,000 in scientific notation. So the reciprocal means turn it upside down, so instead of 100,000 over 1, it's 1 over 100,000. We'll look at this bottom number here, so 100,000. Its decimal place is here, so where do we want it? We want it here. So 100,000 to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's where we'd like it. So it's 1 by 10 to the power of 4. So 1 over 100,000 is 1 over 1 by 10 to the power of 4. Now, how do we indicate that something is underneath the line? We put a minus in for the indices. So it's 1 by 10 to the power of minus 4. Question 9. Write the reciprocal of 400,000 in the form of A by 10 to the power of N, where A is between 1 and 10. So again, the reciprocal means it's upside down, 1 over 400,000. We take the number at the bottom. We would like the decimal place to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4 by 10 to the power of 5. So 1 over 400,000 is 1 over, oopsie daisy, 4 by 10 to the power of 5. And how do we indicate that something is on the other side of the line when there's a power? We use a negative power. So that's 4 by 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, so the following, question 10, they want you to use your calculators here. All right. So what I do is when I put in this into my calculators, you won't make any errors anyway because your calculator will follow the order of operations. But just always, it's a good habit to use brackets between your priorities because it'll stop you making mistakes in areas where the order of operations can be a bit more confusing. So always just put in my brackets and you enter precisely that into your calculator. So for all of those, I put in brackets first because that's what I wanted to do. You don't have to in this case. Your calculator will do it for you. But what I'm going to do now is all this is calculator work, so I'm just going to present the answers here. And you can check if you're getting them in your calculator. Or on second thoughts, we can actually just pull them up from the back of the book. So look, just check your answers for these because this is just calculator work. So let's check those answers with the back. And just make sure you use your brackets. Okay, look, that's today's work.